Good morning, students. Class plus 2 commerce, subject accountancy, and today's topic is common size balance sheet. So today we are going to solve question number 25. So open up page number 3.39 of your book, that is T.S. Garewal. So we are going to solve as question number 25th. Topic is common size balance sheet of Sun Limited as at 31st March 2021. I have drawn the format, particulars, liability side balance sheet format I have drawn. Now in this case, inter-firm comparison we have to make. Two companies are there, Sun Limited and Star Limited. Then we will calculate percentage of Sun Limited and percentage of Star Limited on the basis of certain common criteria. That's why it is called common size balance sheet. So let us fill up the information, then we will calculate the percentage. So informations are given of share capital. Sun Limited is 9 lakh, Star Limited 12 lakh rupees. Then 4 lakh rupees of reserve and surplus, Sun Limited, and 3 lakh 50,000 of Star Limited. Then trade payables are given under current liabilities. So 2 lakh rupees current liabilities and 250. Then simply we have to show the total. Total is also given in the question. That is 15 lakh and 18 lakh. Getting? ये सारी चीजें बेटा हमें बैलेंस शीट से ही मिल गई हैं एज इट इज. और नॉन करंट एसेट्स के अंदर हमें दोनों एसेट्स दिए हैं. सन लिमिटेड की फिक्स एसेट्स थी 10 लाख रुपीज और स्टार लिमिटेड की है 16 लाख. देन 5 लाख करंट एसेट यहां डाल देते हैं ट्रेड रिसीवेबल के सामने एंड 2 लाख रुपीज. अगेन टोटल 15 लाख एंड 16 लाख 18 सॉरी ये बन जाएगा 16 और 2 18 लाख. गेटिंग? नाउ क्वेश्चन अराइजेस हाउ टू कैलकुलेट परसेंटेज अंडर कॉमन साइज स्टेटमेंट मेथड. तो जस्ट सी द फार्मूला. इफ वी वांट टू कैलकुलेट परसेंटेज ऑफ सन लिमिटेड अंडर कॉमन साइज बैलेंस शीट मेथड, तो इंडिविजुअल आइटम divided by total of balance sheet multiplied by 100. इंडिविजुअल आइटम ऑफ किसकी लेनी है? सन लिमिटेड की, बिकॉज वी वांट टू कैलकुलेट परसेंटेज ऑफ सन लिमिटेड. तो बाय अप्लाइंग दिस फार्मूला वी कैन कैलकुलेट इजिली परसेंटेज. Same formula will be applied for Star Limited. Individual item of Star Limited divided by total of balance sheet multiplied by 100. So let's calculate its percentage. Here you can see Sun Limited individual item we have taken share capital 9 lakh. 9 lakh divided by total of balance sheet, that is 15 lakh, and its percentage will be 60%. So here it will be shown. Second item 4 lakh divided by 15 lakh. 4 divided by 15 percentage, it will be 26.67. पॉइंट के बाद 2 डिजिट तक कैलकुलेट कर लो. देन 2 over 15 यानी 2 lakh divided by 15 lakh multiplied by 100, तो it will be 13.33%. Same we have to apply this condition for total also. How it will be calculated? Individual item 15 lakh divided by total 15 lakh, total of balance sheet, तो percentage will be 100%. Then 10 lakh over 15 multiplied by 100, तो ये percentage आ जाएगी बेटा 66.67. Again then percentage 5 lakh over 15 lakh, percentage will be 33.33%. Last 15 lakh divided by 15 lakh, so again percentage will remain 100. Same process we will follow for Star Limited also. 12 lakh divided by total 18 lakh and percentage, it will be 66.67. Then 3,50,000 divided by 18 lakh multiplied by 100, it will be 19.44%. Then 2,50,000 divided by 118 lakh multiplied by 100, it will be 13.89 कर लेते हैं हम, 88 है तो 89. Then for total 18 divided by 18, तो it will be 100%. Then 16 lakh over 18 lakh multiplied by 100, so its percentage will be 88.89%. Last one, 2 lakh divided by 18 lakh multiplied by 100, it will be 11.11%. Our last 18 lakh divided by 18 lakh multiplied by 100, so it will be 100%. तो that's all. इस टॉपिक के क्वेश्चन बेटा आपके शुरू हो रहे हैं 24 से लेके 26 तक. 3 क्वेश्चन आपकी बुक में दिए हैं, एक क्वेश्चन मैंने करवा दिया आपको. डन. नाउ यू विल बी एबल टू सॉल्व रेस्ट 2 क्वेश्चन. तो दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे फ्रॉम माय साइड. बाय बच्चों.